how to get Fortnite on PS4. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to get Fortnite on your PlayStation 4 console. But before I get into this video, let me just tell you guys that I am doing a giveaway here on my channel at the end of the month. And if you want to know what I give away on my channel, I give away Fortnite V-Bucks. I give away Roblox. What is this? A Roblox gift card. And I give away Xbox Live Gold codes and also Xbox gift cards. As you can see, these cards have not been scratched off. What I do is I get on live on my YouTube channel here and I scratch these cards off live. And if you put it into your if you were like one of the first people to redeem it, then you just got you a free card. All right. So if you're interested in that, I highly recommend that you hit that notification bell and hit that subscribe button right now. All right. Now that that's out the way, let's talk about how to get Fortnite on PlayStation 4. It's really not that hard. It's really simple. All you got to do is step number one, really. Well, let me tell you all the tools you need. You need a PlayStation 4 Pro for one. You need a nice little TV or wherever you're going to play your game on. You're going to need a PlayStation 4 controller also. You're going to hook everything up. That's step number one. You got to have a PlayStation. I may have links in the description where you guys can get like a discount on a PS4 if you want to purchase one or anything like that. So be sure to check the links in the description. I will put all links in my description. I do it in all my videos. So now let's get into the meat of things. So how to get Fortnite on Xbox One is really very simple. Let me go. First thing you're going to do, if you already turned your Xbox on, if you're on another game or anything, just hit this middle button so you can go to the home screen. All right. The next thing you're going to do is very simple. You're going to simply go into the PlayStation Store. So as you can see here, it says PlayStation Store. You want to go into the hold on, they got some Black Friday sales. I didn't even know that. PS Plus 12-month membership for 25%. Hold on. You saved 25%. I might have to check that out. Christmas is coming up too. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check that out. But yeah, you go into the PlayStation 4 store, guys. PlayStation Store. Once you go there, you're simply going to you can do either one of these things. You can go to popular games here, or I'll put it like this. Just go up to the search bar here. Let me zoom in so y'all can see that. I'm on the search bar up there. Go up to the search bar on the top of the screen, top left corner, and just click the X button. Alright. Now that you're in the search, all you're going to do from here is type in the letters Fortnite. So let me spell it out here. F-O-R. Oh, darn it. F-O-R-T-N-I-T-E. So once you type in Fortnite, you hit the R2 button here, and it will pull up the games and stuff. So let's let it load. I don't know why is it loading slow like that. Why is it taking so long to load? Option help privacy. Hold on, y'all. It's taking so long to load for some reason. I'm probably not logged into my account. Let me make sure. Profile. Boom. It's taking forever. Hold on. Let me restart my console. While I'm restarting, I'm going to show you guys how to restart your PlayStation 4. You just hold this button down to turn it off. Just hold it, hold it, hold it. And then your console will shut off just like that. Do not unplug the AC power. Just wait until it turns off. I'm rebooting it, guys, because I don't know why it didn't come on. I hate this. I hate when I gotta redo it. Alright. So it's taking forever to shut off, but you gotta wait for it to shut off here. This light is blinking. Let's see. Alright, it's shut off. Alright, so you turn it on. Turn on your PS4. Alright, once you turned it on, you're going to turn on your Xbox One controller. Like this. Just by hitting that right there. Boom. Blue light comes on. It's all connected. It's all hooked up. You're ready to go. I'm just waiting on this channel. Alright, there go my profile. Let me sign in. Boom. There, now that I'm signed in, let's see if it works. Alright, you go to the PlayStation Store. This better work, I swear. Yeah, okay, there it is. Okay, alright, I'm about to say. So you go to the PlayStation Store, guys. Once you're in here, you just hit the search button up here. And then, once you get in here, you're just going to type in the words Fortnite. Right here. Hope you guys can see that. Fortnite. Let me turn the lights off. Hopefully y'all can see better. Fortnite. Alright, once you type in Fortnite, y'all see it on the side here. You just go down to the full game, which is right here. And you're just simply gonna hold on. You're simply gonna click on it. And since I already have it downloaded, I could just start it right here on the side. I don't know if y'all see that, but on the side over there, it's gonna say that it's downloading. You see where my start button is over there? For you guys, it's gonna say that it's downloading, that it's starting to installing. So wait till that installs. Mine says start because it's already downloaded on my console, but for you guys, you're gonna just wait until it installs, and then you should be able to open the game once it installs. Alright, so it's that simple, guys. Once it's done loading and stuff like that, you can easily just go to the home screen, and it should just pop up on your home screen. You can literally just click on it and play it from there. So let me play it a little bit, make sure it's working. Again, guys, while this is loading, let me just tell y'all while that's loading. Again, guys, you need some Fortnite V-Bucks. Be sure to subscribe because I give this stuff away on my channel. As you can see, these cards have not been scratched off. They're like fresh, brand new type cards. Fresh. You see what I'm saying? So this is free V-Bucks. Let me know in the comment section which one would y'all rather have. Would y'all rather have the Fortnite V-Bucks, the Roblox, the Xbox Live Gold Code? Let me know in the comments. I'm doing the giveaway at the end of this month, so be sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on that. Alright, so as y'all can see, Fortnite is loading to my PlayStation 4 console. Yours, once it's done downloading, it should load up just like you see here. Alright. Now that it's loaded, as you can see, you just hit X to start it. And everything should be working pretty good. Another thing I can recommend you guys do is check out the links in the description. You know, if you're trying to get like a discount on any PlayStation 4 accessories or anything like that, look for the links. Also, let's see, let me go to Battle Royale. As y'all can see, it's working pretty good, man. Let's see, item shop. Okay, this is what they got in the item shop. Go over. You just hit triangle. to start game. But yeah, that's how you do it. You simply go into the to download to get Fortnite on PlayStation 4. You just turn on your PlayStation, go into the PS4 store, and type in the words Fortnite, and then the game is gonna pop up. You're gonna simply click on it and let it load, let the full game load, and once the game is done loading, you're simply gonna turn the game on, and once you turn it on, you should be able to play Fortnite. Alright, if y'all want to see a video on how to connect your PS4 controller to your iPhone, I will have the video link in the description, so be sure to check down there for that. And again, I do giveaways on my channel, so if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell. Alright, as you can see, it's working pretty good, so that's it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video short. Let me play it a little bit though. I'm jumping out. But yeah, as you can see, guys, that's it. That's how you download Fortnite on the PlayStation 4. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up, because a thumbs up goes a long way here on YouTube. So I would like to get this channel to 100,000 subscribers. And a simple thumbs up, if you don't want to subscribe, a simple thumbs up would help a lot. So I appreciate you for watching. And again, stop back by. The name of my channel is Hemi Jarvis, HEMIJARVIS. Stop by, get you one of these Fortnite V-Buck cards, because I do giveaways. And the way I do my giveaways is I go live here on YouTube. So subscribe right now to get you one when I do my giveaways. All right, see you soon.